Hello everyone, this is BSc first year class of Algebra and Trigonometry. So today we are going to discuss special types of matrices. Special types of matrices. So first, upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. It is also in shortly UTM, upper triangular matrix. A square matrix. So this is a square matrix. Upper triangular matrix is a square matrix. A square matrix. A square matrix Aij n cross n is said to be an upper triangular matrix UTM, upper triangular matrix, if Aij is equal to 0 if I is greater than j. That is, all elements of the matrix are 0 if I is greater than j. That is, the row number is greater than its column number. Now note that if we consider 3 by 3 matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, second row second column, second row third column, third row first column, third row second column, third row third column, 3 cross 3 matrix. Now note that where is I greater than j? Row number is greater than column number. So here is row number is greater than column number, here is row number is greater than column number, and here is row number greater than column number. So these elements are 0 in a upper triangular matrix. These three elements are 0 in a upper triangular matrix. So in general, if we consider a set of all 3 by 3 matrices A, F, E, 0, B, D, G, 0, 0, where A, F, E, B, D, G all belongs to set of complex numbers, represents all upper triangular matrices, represents all upper triangular matrices of order 3. Third order, all upper triangular matrices. Now properties of upper triangular matrix. So it satisfies some properties that are very important. So if A and B are upper triangular matrices of order n, if A and B are upper triangular matrices of order n and K is any number, then first K into A is also upper triangular matrix. Now K into A means what? So multiply each element of S by K, then K into 0 is 0, K into 0 is 0, K into 0 is 0, and these are all multiples of K. Hence the resulting matrix is also upper triangular matrix. So second property, if A and B are upper triangular matrices, then A plus B is also upper triangular matrix. A plus B is also upper triangular matrix. Now consider that if A is upper triangular matrix and B is upper triangular matrix, then their addition must be a upper triangular matrix. Third property, you can check by using one or two examples. take any two upper triangular matrix and add them, the resulting matrix is also upper triangular matrix. If, third property, if k1 k2 dot 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 kn are numbers and a1 a2 dot 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 an are upper triangular matrix, upper triangular matrices, then k1 a1 plus k2 a2, so their linear combination is also upper triangular matrix. So we know that Ka is upper triangular matrix and A plus B is also upper triangular matrix. Then we can generalize this for n Ks and n As. Fourth property, very important, if A and B are upper triangular matrices, then their multiplication AB is also upper triangular matrix. AB or BA is also upper triangular matrix. Now second, lower triangular matrix. A square matrix is said to be lower triangular matrix if Aij is equal to 0 if I is less than j. That is, I is greater than, I is less than, j means j is greater than I. So consider A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A33, A32, A33. Now here consider that where is I is less than j, that is row number is less than column number. So here is row number is less than column number, here row is less than column number, and here row is less than column number. So put these elements 0, then the resulting matrix is a lower triangular matrix. So if we consider a set S of all 3 cross 3 matrices A 0 0, F B 0, E D C, where A F B E D C belongs to set of complex numbers, represents all lower triangular matrices of order 3, represents all lower triangular matrices of order 3. Now we can discuss the properties of lower triangular matrices. So properties of upper triangular matrices and lower triangular matrices are same. If A and B are lower triangular matrices of order n, if A and B are lower triangular matrices of order n and K is any number, then first K into A is also lower triangular matrix. Second, A plus B is also lower triangular matrix. Third, K1 A1 plus K2 A2 plus dot 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 Kn An is lower triangular matrix. Fourth, AB is also lower triangular matrix. A into B or B into A is also lower triangular matrix. Fifth, Ka dash of dash is equal to Ka is also upper triangular matrix. Dash means transpose is also lower triangular matrix. Now sixth, if A is a lower triangular matrix, then A dash is upper triangular matrix. 7, B dash into A dash is upper triangular matrix, is upper triangular matrix, because we can prove this. If A and B are a lower triangular matrix, then AB is also lower triangular matrix. If we take a transpose of it, then it will be B transpose into A transpose, and it is a upper triangular matrix. Now diagonal matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij a square matrix of order n, A is equal to Aij, is said to be diagonal matrix if Aij is equal to 0 if I is not equal to j. Means the only non-diagonal except non-diagonal elements, all the elements of the matrix are 0. So I is not equal to j means what? That is I is greater than j, I is less than j. If diagonal entries of the diagonal matrix A, so for example 3 by 3 matrix A, B, C, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is a diagonal matrix of order 3, where A, B, C belongs to set of complex numbers or real numbers or rational numbers or integers. It may be any complex number. So if diagonal entries of the diagonal matrix A, if diagonal entries of the diagonal matrix A in order are d1 d2 dot 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 dn, then it is written as A is equal to diag d1 d2 dot 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 dn. So that is, if A is equal to d1 0 0 dot 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 0 0 d2 dot 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 0 and 0, and it is a dn. So this matrix of order n can be written as A is equal to diag of d1 d2 dot 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 dn. So this is a diagonal matrix of order n. Now set S, consider a set S which contains all 3 cross 3 matrices A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C, 3 cross 3, where A, B, C belongs to set of complex numbers, represents all diagonal matrices of order 3. Represents all diagonal matrices of order 3. Now let us discuss properties of a diagonal matrices. So first property, consider if A is a diagonal matrix of order n, A1, A2, dot 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 an, and B is equal to are diagonal matrices of order n matrices of order and k is any number, then Ka is also diagonal matrix. Second, A plus B is also diagonal matrix, and A plus B is equal to DIAG of A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2, and so on, AN plus BN. Third, if K1, K2, dot 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 Kn are numbers, if are numbers and A1, A2, dot 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 An are diagonal matrices, then K1 A1 plus K2 A2 plus Kn An is also a diagonal matrix. That is, the linear combination of diagonal matrices is a diagonal matrix. If A and B are a diagonal matrix, then A into B or B into A is diagonal matrix, and A into B is what? A into B is equal to DIAG of A1 B1, A2 B2, and AN BN. Fifth property, A raised to n is also diagonal matrix. A multiplication A with itself n times A raised to n is also a diagonal matrix, and A raised to n is what? DIG of A1 raised to n, A2 raised to n, and AN raised to n. So today's lecture I am going to stop over here. Thank you.